Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 GLA 250 4MATIC. This one's a lunar blue metallic. Underneath is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 208 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. For wheels we've got 18-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. A crystal gray MB Tex interior pano sunroof. Come around back, GLA 250 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate, set of clean floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover. Coming alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, power windows. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. Also included is a smartphone integration, which is going to give you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Navigation. Rear view backup camera. Wood trim. Hard keys for a media display. Heated seats. Dual climate controls. Cup holders. This GLA 250 has 9,823 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLA 250, check out feldmanimports.com.